I mean, friggin' hey, our IKEA has been criticized over a special Juneteenth menu at its Atlanta store. The menu celebrating the day that marks the end of slavery in the U.S. included foods associated with racist tropes about black Americans, such as fried chicken, watermelon, and collard greens. An IKEA spokesperson told British that uh, news site The Independent that about 20 employees walked off the job in protest at the menu. To honor the day, a lunch menu was curated with the best of intentions, including recommendations from black coworkers. They said, "We got it wrong and we sincerely apologize." I mean, I'd be happy with freaking fried chicken and watermelon. I don't care for collard greens, but I think we can figure something out. The walkout was first reported by local news broadcaster CBS 46 and happened after the company, which offers Juneteenth as one of its paid national holidays, sent the menu to employees via email on Friday. One anonymous employee quoted by the channel was particularly offended by the watermelon. The United States serving watermelon on Juneteenth as a soul food menu when you don't even know the history. They used to feed the slaves watermelon during the slave time, they said. IKEA's fucking, what the hell does that even mean? You cannot say serving watermelon on Juneteenth is soul food item when you don't even know the history. They used to feed the slaves watermelon during the slave time. I wonder why. Maybe because it's nutritious and it's freaking hydrates as well. He said, IKEA spokesperson said the menu was charged after receiving complaints with the new menu reportedly including meatloaf, mashed potatoes, collard greens, and cornbread. Friggin' everyone is a fucking racist now. Everyone's a fucking racist. Fried chicken, they're fucking racist.